Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Phil Employee Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can.
Okay, are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
I agree, ma'am.
Okay, what is your name? Okay, help me introduce yourself, please.
My name is Emelos Aruyo. I am 36. Before in Saudi Arabia, and 2 years here. And my water is I am cleaning mom in the house and taking care of the baby.
Okay. How old is the baby that you take care
Cleaning
there?
and uh, 5 years old and 3 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so you finish your contract, is it? You finish your contract, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing to your previous employer in Saudi, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you, Emmy. Are you single mother, single with live-in partner, or married?
Single with live-in partner, ma'am.
Okay, single with live-in partner. When is your birthday?
Uh,
Can you repeat again?
1988.
April 15, 1998.
1988, ma'am.
1988. Okay. What is your height and your weight?
My height is 149. My weight is 57 kilogram.
Okay, what about your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
Catholic. What about your educational background?
I am a high school graduate, ma'am.
High school graduate. How many children do you have?
I have two children.
Ages?
My youngest, my
How old is your children? How old are your children?
my son is 17, ma'am, and my youngest is 13 years old.
Okay, so you have a working experience already in KSA, right? So you know that being an
Yes,
OFW, you need to be multitasking, you need to be flexible because there is no such a thing that you will just do house chores only, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you? Can you hear me, Emmy? Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have a 2 years contract. It's not 1 day, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 1 month, it's not 1 year. You need to sign a 2 years contract. If you break your contract, you have a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so during your usage of handphone, you are not allowed to use your mobile handphone during nighttime because you are during working time. You can hold your phone during nighttime only.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use it during working time, okay? You can hold it during nighttime
Okay.
only like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. During your rest day, you are not allowed to go out, but you will going to stay inside the employer's house. If you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to pay your salary. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we don't want to force people to come here, okay? If you agree, it's okay. If you disagree, it's okay also. We don't force people to come here. So, are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby? Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am. I can take care.
Okay, can you take your elderly people?
No,
It's
ma'am.
okay, it's okay. Can you cook? Can you cook?
I cook. mm, I will learn to cook.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person? Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you okay to take your pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Emmy, once you come to work here in Malaysia, we don't want problem. As much as possible in our initial interview, we already told you about our rules and regulations, whether you agree or you disagree, okay? So, always bring your good attitude because this is not Philippines, it's other countries. So, we must humble ourselves. We respect employers because we are the one who are working and staying inside their premises, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you handle your homesickness? Like if you miss your children, how do you do?
I pray to God, ma'am.
Pray to God. Okay, so my last question is, why did you choose to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong or maybe in Middle East?
Because I want to experience another country.
Okay, so I think that's all for now, Emmy. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Global Ace will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.